Jordan Oliver, I wasn't focused. I was paying attention to stupid signs. I got a little cocky, a little carried away, and I got beat for it. Jordan, you beat me tonight, and you're great. But I think I proved to you and to myself that I could hang with you. See, Jordan Oliver, you're a plague in my dojo. Just like the rest of your little crew. Ellis Taylor, Charlie Tiger, Griffin McCoy, the whole young, dumb, and broke group. And you're a disease that needs to be eradicated. So I hear there's this big tag match coming up. It's gonna be Ellis Taylor and Griffin McCoy against Will Turner. So how's this? We killed 2 birds with 1 stone. How about I get my hands on Young, Dumb, and Broke, and Will Turner gets a tag partner? How's that?